guys, welcome to Rebel Life. Today I'm going to make for you a banana egg omelette, which is a very nutritious, delicious and simple breakfast or lunch idea. And I'm going to go over the ingredients. So we're going to use one banana, which is very good for potassium. I have half a cup of raspberries, which are very high in fiber. We have 3 whole eggs, and eggs have vitamin B6, B12, vitamin D, also zinc, and many other minerals, and of course protein and good fats. We have some shredded coconut without any added sugar. It's also full of zinc and iron. I'm using raw organic coconut oil to fry. I have roasted almond butter because I didn't find raw almond butter, but both are good. I have a little bit of organic sunflower, honey, and cinnamon. So let me put it all together. So here's the mixture of the bananas, the shredded coconut, eggs, and cinnamon. And this is what I'm gonna fry, and the rest of the ingredients we're gonna put at the end. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put this mixture on the frying pan with half a tablespoon of coconut oil. And spread it a little bit, and once it starts cooking, I'm going to divide it into 4 pieces, so it's easier to flip and easier to manage. Alright, so this is ready. I'm going to put it on a plate. Now, depending on how hungry you are, this could be a portion for 2 or for 1. Believe it or not, I eat this whole thing by myself. And we're going to dress it up with almond butter. So this is probably about a tablespoon, and I like to spread it all over. A little bit of organic sunflower honey, just to give it a little bit of sweetness. And I'm talking about very little because it's already sweet from the banana, so you might not even want to use it. So this is it, the finished product, banana egg omelette with a little bit of almond butter and raspberries. It's really delicious, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Try it. It's really good. So I hope you guys give this a try. When you do, please let me know what you think. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please tune in for more videos because they'll be coming up soon.